I tried Xumm Wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I first downloaded the Xumm Wallet app, I thought it would just be another crypto wallet. But after using it for 7 days, the shocking truth is that Xumm completely changes the way you interact with Xumm Ledger, and it's way more powerful than I expected. From the moment I opened the app, the setup process was smooth. No kick, no complex sign-up forms, just generate your wallet, back up your keys, and you're ready to go. Within minutes I could receive, store, and send XRP and other tokens built on the Urpal. Most people think wallets are only for holding crypto, but Xumm goes way beyond that. During my test week, I explored Xumm's integration with the XRP Ledger ecosystem. I could sign transactions directly from the app without ever giving up control of my private keys. That means full self-custody, complete security, and no need to trust third parties. But here's where it gets really interesting. Xumm isn't just a wallet, it's like a bridge between you and the Urpal network. You can interact with decentralized apps, send payments, and even use features like use for stablecoins and custom tokens. I also tried the in-app DEX or decentralized exchange, which let me swap tokens instantly with fees that were almost zero. The design is clean, the experience feels professional, and everything runs incredibly fast. The only downside I noticed is that it's built entirely for the XRP Ledger. So if you're looking to store Bitcoin or Ethereum, this isn't the wallet for you. By the end of the week, the shocking truth was clear. Xumm isn't just another crypto wallet. It's a full gateway into the XRP ecosystem, built with security, speed, and control in mind. If you believe in ERP's future, this app is a must-have tool to explore what decentralized finance can really feel like.